Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Honey, I know it's been a minute since y'all have heard from me, but I got some good content for y'all, so stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I have freshly washed hair, and by the way, I am doing a wash and go. So Curl sent me these products from their Ultimate Styling Collection. There are 4 different products, so I am using the Be in Control Styling Gel. Well, it's actually Be in Control Sculpting Curl Gel, I believe, and it has a firm hold, so it's great for wash and goes. So if I sound a little weird, I'm sorry, y'all, I got an ear infection. But anyway, I'm gonna let y'all watch this and I'm gonna come back. So I don't know if I ever really told y'all, but I don't really like wash and goes because I don't like how my hair shrinks up. So that's usually why y'all really won't see me do a lot of wash and goes. But once we get to the end, I'm gonna tell y'all why I like this wash and go. But yeah, keep watching, and in the meantime, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, make a comment, go make comments on other videos, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. Okay y'all, the number one reason why I like this gel for the wash and go, y'all see how defined my curls are? Like, do y'all see that? Now in the back my curls are always defined, but in the front, like when I use that Wetline Xtreme Gel, my hair was so stringy, like it looked a hot mess. And that's why that first wash and go video I did, my hair was tucked behind my ears because my hair was so stringy. Okay, and another thing that I like about the gel, like, yeah, okay, you have to use a good amount of gel to put on your hair to make sure your curls are defined or whatever. But I kid you not, when I used that Wetline Xtreme Gel, I felt like I was putting the entire container on my hair. Like, I shouldn't have to do that. I should not have to do that. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm venting, but whatever. Okay y'all, so I did allow my hair to air dry, which it takes a really long time for my hair to air dry, but so it took all day. So these are the results once my hair is dry, and as you can see, like, shrinkage is so real. It's a personal problem. It's something I'm gonna have to deal with myself, but I'll get over it. But overall, I loved it. Like, my hair was not crunchy. I didn't see any flakes. Like, it's definitely something I would consider purchasing, like, if you really love to do wash and goes. So as always, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.